So here's what most buyers do and why they actually lose in a race. And the truth is, there's always a winner and there's a loser. Um, I know in our culture we don't really get taught that these days, right? Every kid gets a trophy. Everybody's a winner. But when you're buying a house and there's only one person gets it. So they check Zillow daily. Properties already seen by 100 buyers. They wait for Sunday open houses, competing with crowds. Search the public MLS sites 24, 40 hours behind relative inventory, missed coming soon and off market. I know there's a whole buzz about that right now. But what I think is even more important is what I'll share with you later about finding homes that are even on the market and then find their dream home 3 hours after someone else has already made an offer. First mover advantage, that's a real thing, even in real estate. Okay. So the VIP home locator system. So real time property alerts the second they are listed. So most people have that, but you'd be surprised some people don't get that. Coming soon properties before they're public, and then off-market listings never listed publicly. This is the magic right here. So we have access to data, right? Data of properties, of homes, of people who are likely to sell for one reason or the other. And so once we know your buyer's box, we know, hey, like I said, you want a 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 8 bedroom, 5, 7, 12 bath, whatever, with on an acre with a 12-car garage because you got all the toys, whatever. You could be spending $10 million. You could be spending half of, half $1 million. Doesn't really matter, right? All we need to know is where you want to be, how much money you have to spend. And our case can be able to help you with that. And a lot of things you don't even know that you don't need to spend. I don't want you to be house broke, right? For sure. Don't want that. But all we need to know is a few things, and we can figure out what homes are likely to sell and get you into those homes and get prop and negotiate and save you on the commission side, save you on so many different pieces. So, distressed sellers program. So I know every property in your market that's on pre foreclosure. I know every property that's been foreclosed on. Um, I know a lot of those things, right? So, being able to get you into some of those, and then backstage MLS pass, see properties like you're an agent. So, you see homes 24/7, 72 hours before other buyers. You make offers before competition even knows that they exist, right? And the big thing is like being ready, right? If you're not prepared and to make the offer, then you're kind of missing out, right? Because you find the dream home and then you're not qualified. You don't have all the pieces ready. You don't know how to convert, like, being able to take your property and make it, or well, we'll say that for later. I'll let RK explain that. So we have some case studies. 425,000 home that never hit Zillow. Client, the Martinez family, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 450. The VIP. So let me go over this, right? So what happened? VIP alert, sale property, toured within 40 hours, made an offer, zero competing offers, negotiated seller, closing costs 8,500, closed 425, comps were, you know, uh 445 to 460. I mean, we have um the buyers that we helped in Frisco, they bought that property. We bought it at 1.585. Got it before it ever went to the market. It probably could sell for sure, like for sure it would sell at 165. So they saved 70 grand off of the top, right? Easy. Um, and they were able to close it in like 3 weeks. It was great. It could sell for 1.7, and that's even more money. So I mean, it's amazing, when you have the right tools. It's like if you're trying to go put anything together and you don't have any tools, like you're just like trying to screw with your hand or trying to, hammer with your hand. It just doesn't work. You need the right tools, right? All right. Secret number one, takeaway. The race goes to the swift, first mover advantage. In today's market, the buyers who sees the property first and moves fastest usually wins. The VIP home locator system makes you the fastest buyer in the market. Value 1,200, typically buyers portal subscription. We don't charge anything for that, right? Secret number two, the certified buyer's representative advantage, how to have world-class negotiators fighting for you, not for the seller, right? So we really pride ourselves on the negotiating piece. Like, very, very much so. Like, I enjoy going to battle for my clients and being able to, it's like a game to me. It's like Monopoly in real life. Like, I want to help you negotiate, and be your gladiator and help you save $20,000 so you can put that into your kid's college fund so that you can go on that dream vacation to Bali or New Zealand or Hawaii or Australia or wherever it is for you, the Bahamas, get, put, maybe that's going to help you get a boat and be able to go have a great summer. I know 20,000 isn't going to get maybe a down payment on a boat, right? Like, you know what I mean? Like, just imagine being able to save that much money and what it could go towards.